Okay, so we're just gonna have to use my other mic. Because I don't know, I was trying to figure it out. Now it's okay. I'm gonna use my camera's mic. Okay, so it is my Yeti then. Alright, cool. Then never mind. Okay, so my mic is working. Alright, cool. That was funny. Alright. Well, we had 8:30 news, right? We had 10 a.m. news again. Red folder. U of M, University of Michigan, consumer sentiment. How's everyone doing? Yesterday was pretty good for the stream. How you doing? Okay. Okay, let's see. Friday. Yeah. Okay, we just had yellow folder at 8:30, so that's why there's nothing. Yeah, 10 a.m. red folder. That one is pretty volatile. I had this marked out yesterday, this little level, because it was like an extension that lined up with 0.5 of this, I believe, and it did line up just with some other things, but you know, we do have this low in an imbalance. If NQ wants to catch up, because you know, ES did hit that. A lot easier to short ES yesterday than NQ. Some people did take NQ. They let me know because it was like a six sister approach. Very cool. Fun to see that. Right, so ES already did dig into this yesterday. Dropped again around 7 a.m. Yeah, okay. Just want to compare that on the hourly for a minute. The CPI low. And we never even hit the 930 low after CPI from NQ, right? And I believe that was like here. Yeah. Okay. I don't know what this is. Oh, this was a wick I marked out yesterday. There's an obvious like hourly fair value gap there for NQ. 4 hour here. Yes. NQ, yeah, it did drop. Hourly is cleaner there. We didn't hit this low. Sort of made almost equal lows there. Where's this low? 501, 500, right? Yeah. There's something I'm always going to mark out. Like the other day, these were equal lows. We have our little, I don't know though, so much could retrace pretty deeply in here. Because this is sort of in the middle of this range. Yeah. Alright. I'll just change the, when it's on a higher time frame, I'll change the background. Do nothing. Okay, cool. Okay. Where is everybody? Did I close my... Oh my god. Am I still... We're still good? Yeah. I just closed the chat window, I think. Okay, cool. I just closed the chat window for a second. I was like, what? Alright, we're good. I don't know how do I get back there? Whatever. Okay, there we go. Here we are. Well, DXY, DXY. Well, it's... Oh, it did go for buy side already. On the daily at least. Cool, 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 cool. You guys, I definitely think, because I didn't have coffee yet this morning, I definitely do think that coffee makes me cough. Alright, daily. Right, we hit this buy side. So, it got bought up in this daily order block, right? This took liquidity. Didn't really... And then it changed structure. Got bought up, going higher. So I could only think that DXY is continuing bullishness. But we did hit some. All right. Howdy. The open is in 5 minutes, and then we have news at 10. Happy Capital Preservation Friday. You know, if you're up this week, don't make sure not to give up all your profits back for the week. If you're down, you don't have to make it all back today. Don't go into the weekend with a sour mood or something, you know? That's what I just think. Oh, I was showing DXY. Took this sell side, order block, shift of structure, got bought up here. Closed really strongly above this, so I would think it's just going to continue higher. So, alright, ES is the weaker sister. See how this goes. Maybe I'm bullish DXY. We'll have to see if there is more continuation to the downside. Perhaps ES does go for, you know, here, the CPI low. Initial consolidation low. Maybe. It's just in this hourly FEG. Ideally, then I would want to see like a 5-minute shift lower. Also, when it opens in about 1 minute, we'll have to open. I do believe we have a gap down, so that's something to take into account also. Right, where did we close yesterday? Right here. 1 minute till open. So I'll just open it right now. Yeah. All right, let's get it popping. Three, two, one. Okay. Close. 36.50 to the open 4.19. Okay, that's your little opening range gap there for ES. It's a little hourly fair value gap here. Now let's see NQ. The close to the open. 78. Okay. Make sure I did that right on ES. I guess ES did close weaker. Yeah. Okay, it's a little drop right there at open. A little bit, okay. Still not much. It would be best, honestly. It would be best if it, on the 5, just breaks this low cleanly with a displacement, then we can get some follow through to the downside, equal lows here. NQ. I don't know. We are gapping down though, so we can fill the gap in a bit first. Yeah, DXY is pushing up higher. Okay, so I'm gonna just move this to left, like I like to do that, so it's a little cleaner. Okay. What's blurry? Stream operator. Get you some Folgers? That's the worst coffee possible. Sorry. That tastes like water to me. What's the little tune that they do for Folgers? Always at Christmas time. It's a pretty good commercial tune. Now I need to know it. Oh. Yeah, it goes, the best part of waking up is Folgers in your cup. Too good, too good, too good. All right. So we'll see how this goes. We have 10 a.m. news. I'll mark that out on ES as well. I'm so proud of myself. I didn't cheat for that one, you guys. I was like, I need to know. I need to think about it. I'm a little neurotic that way, where it's like, oh man. I hate it the most when there's a word I'm trying to think of and I can't, and it's such a specific word, and you can't remember it. Folger's jingle was written by Randy Newman, who also wrote Toy Story's You've Got a Friend in Me. Great, we got some nice tidbits here on the chat. Someone really wants coffee now? What? Okay, so I don't know. Yeah, not so clean. I mean, we're digging back into this huge hourly fair value gap, and it's not even in like a premium, sort of the middle of the range. So I'm not sure where it's gonna pause to reject. So I don't have to guess, right? Because I typically wait for lower time frame structure. But yeah, so for nothing. So. And plus there's news at 10. I should probably I forgot to make myself my salt water. I'd be dehydrated. Tiny, where to get my glasses from? These are my old ones. I got them just from my local doctor optometrist office, which, by the way, you guys, yesterday I went to pick up my contacts, and the lady was like, "Oh, you were with Dr. Lee?" And I was like, "Yeah." And she was like checking to see like, when was your last appointment or whatever. I'm like, in like October. And she goes, "Oh yeah, Dr. Lee died." I'm like, "What?" Like, she was fairly young. She was young. She's like 55. I'm like, "What? How?" And she goes like, "It was a freak accident. She fell in the bathroom and hit her head and was in a coma for 3 days, like, and then died." And that's so sad. She was a very smart woman and very nice. So I was in shock. Still am. Anyway, we'll have a little moment of silence for a minute now for Dr. Lee. Rest in peace. Okay, thank you. I don't know. It's crazy. Crazy world. Plus, that was very weird because I just recently hit my head. I was very, I don't know. Not a joke. Make that cleaner on ES. I don't know. We could continue. But I don't really see anything for me to get involved with right here. $10 a.m. It's like staircasing up. Cool. People that just play gap fills like that. Cool. Good for them. 15-minute. Okay. I don't know. It's like bothering me. I don't like it. Just like it's kind of ugly. Okay. And also this, I want it just to be visible. All right. Okay. Okay, now I feel a lot better. I'm to see the 15-minute. What a deep retracement there. What? During London? Oh wait, yeah, this was like during the afternoon. I wasn't around here. Ugly afternoon, pretty ugly there. SMT divergence, someone says. Long ES, bro. I like that it's always like after it pumped like 100 points or something. So funny. Okay. It's kind of weird because DXY is still hanging around. You know, being bullish. So I'm just gonna wait. It's been only the first 10 minutes of the day. We'll wait. Alright, yeah, thanks for letting me know. You can right click it and then you see that. Yes. Yeah, nothing yet. See what the first 15 minutes of the day looks like. That's kind of interesting. Maybe it does, yeah, reach into here. You have an order block here. It's all the way up there. Where does that line up in terms of, okay, the gap fill? I feel like that lines up pretty well, right? Yeah. It lines up with where the... Yep. Opening range gap is completed there. Thanks for the compliments. Where's my phone? Oh, here it is. There, that's so much better. I could do that actually. That's fine. OES. I'll see in 3 minutes what the heat map looks like. By the way, someone told me that there's an easier way to see the heat map on TradingView. I don't even know how. I just use FinViz, but if the TradingView one is like, no delay, that's even better. You like my dress? I'm not wearing a dress, I'm just wearing a t-shirt. That's funny though. Okay, so what are the indices? ES is down 0.2 and NQ is pretty much flat on the day. Okay. Stock heat map, TradingView. Okay. This is kind of, but is it, how delayed is it? Doesn't matter. Okay, but anyway, Nvidia's up 3.5%. Wow. Just, there's no stopping. What? Okay. Is that even, that's what TradingView says, but it's not. Let me see what FinViz says. I guess it is then probably delayed the same like 15 minutes then. It hasn't been. We'll see in 1 minute if that's updated. Because it's not, that's not right now. Typically it's like 15-minute delay or something. Okay, well, we have the next 15 minutes, the 15-minute candle. The first 15-minute candle of the day, I put 2025, so funny. Time traveling. By the way, you guys, I saw a lot of comments asking, why are you still trading June contract? Because it has more volume than September. Rollover should happen probably like by Tuesday next week. So I go to, right, bar chart. What I do is I go NQ, right, just click one of them, scroll down, here we are. See, June volume is higher than September. Until this is higher than this, then I'll roll over, but not yet. But yeah, the rollover part could make things a little bit more difficult, etc. Yeah, let's see if now it's updated. Okay, now, so it is 15-minute delay. So I prefer FinViz then. Just because I'm used to how it looks like. Okay, pretty flat day then. You know. Tesla is up 1.69. I guess this Adobe had earnings. Wow, 15%. I have a friend that works for them, so she must be happy. Microsoft, etc. Yeah, I'm still trading the M contract as well. So pretty much NQ filled the gap up. What about ES? Yeah, halfway. Truck outside or something. We have news in 13 minutes. This is ES. What did NQ look like? Yeah, it's also just out of sync with DXY right now. Right? DXY is still bullish. Holding up there. So there wasn't really anything for me to get involved with so far. See 10 a.m. high impact news. Let me see. Okay, cool. I fixed the mic too. Okay. I don't know. So all in all, like, if you just look at the hourly, it's not really... We've been in this range since Wednesday. Since CPI. Wrong way. Just want to see the... I don't know. It's not even like, yeah, so whatever. Yeah, I think you a lot stronger, but right, it's just pretty much still flat from yesterday's close. So no FOMO or anything really. 10 a.m. news, we'll see what's going on. Pretty wild. Okay. $9.50 is here, but I'm not gonna enter before 10 a.m. news. Really haven't had like much luck doing that on the stream. So I don't need that anymore because we filled it. Yeah, I don't know. Really digging deeply. NQ completely closed above. Well, in 8 minutes we'll see, but it looks like we really had a strong hourly close. I'll be back in a minute. I'm just gonna get a drink of water. Yeah. Okay. Got my sparkling salt water. Not sponsored, but it's really good. Sparkling electrolyte water. I'm not sure if it's bad to drink sparkling water in the morning on an empty stomach. It probably is. But I like it. It's 1,000 grams of sodium, 1,000 milligrams of sodium, 200 milligrams of potassium, and 60 milligrams of magnesium. No sugar, no caffeine. It's natural flavor, whatever that means. Black cherry lime because it's salty. It's easier to drink it. Okay, we have 10 a.m. news. DXY is going up while indices are going up. I don't know what you want me to say. Like, I'll write that down. I don't like that. I don't really have, like, there's no reason really, like, where I would think, oh, NQ is gonna go now for this buy side, London high. I mean, it could, but I don't really see it. And we didn't take this sell side. People will say it's an SMT. Okay. I just didn't see any type of entry for me to get in, and, you know, I'd like to just wait until 10 a.m. news anyway. A pretty cool blast off there, I guess. First 2 minutes. That little Judas there and push up. Why did it push there, like from 944? Huh. Anyway, still, if I were to short, I would do it on ES probably. It's just weaker. What did we look at? I think Tesla's up today, right? No, Tesla's only up 0.37. Like, okay. Netflix is up 1.6, and that's tiny. Right, so it's a flat day in the market. I'm really not expecting much. I mean, we survived, you guys. We survived NFP, FOMC, and CPI and PPI. Pat yourselves on the back. Anyway, let's continue watching this. There's not really a swing low yet here formed for ES. Let's see at 10 what happens. You know, I'm not just gonna... I want to swing low. Maybe this 5 minute will make it, and then it breaks. I don't know. We'll find out. Might be more demanding and just go on the 5. I don't know. I have to think for a moment. Or 30-second. Making the decision whether 5 minute or 30-second. I guess we'll see. Someone yesterday asked, because I was on the 2 minute. Somebody asked, like, did you switch to 2 minute? No, I'm always flipping between time frames, right? And I basically look at which one's the cleanest with the cleanest imbalances, fair value gaps. It's pretty simple. I'll start with the higher one, right? I mean, that's in the 2022 mentorship, like right at the beginning, I think. Like you start on the 15, see if one side of liquidity is swept. That's just for the 2022 model, but I'll use that. And then you go down to like the 5, see if there's an imbalance. And if there's an imbalance there, you can just stop. That is where I start using more advanced discernment about whether price is balanced or not. But, you know, that's why you always see me flipping. I do flip between time frames. Let's see where the cleanest type of action is. But yeah, I'm not a fan of this. What were my other criteria? Well, what's YM doing? Okay. Someone said YM's very weak. Yeah, makes sense. They're not gonna move perfectly in tandem. YM's the boomer stocks like MasterCard and whatever. Oil stocks and banks and financials, whatever is in this. You can search it up if you're interested, but yeah, it does look like, actually, a little bit. Yeah, there is a divergence there, right? Because this is 9:30. Huh. I'm just interested to see this opening range gap close. You know, this is cleaner than the others for for the bearish case, but I don't really just end up switching assets. I don't really know exactly how YM behaves, so it looks interesting. We have news in 1 minute, you guys. 10 a.m. news in 1 minute. High impact. It's red folder news. So, high impact and red folder are like not the same thing. There's different rankings of high impact. Okay. Wow. And you had that little one last push there. I mean, you know, I don't know what it wants to do. It just looks like a monster. I'll let it take it without me. I don't care. Alright, let's see. 10 a.m. news. Boom. Push lower. We'll see. Is it gonna actually close below this? If it doesn't, then whatever. Nothing. Yeah. So far that was a pretty... What is this? Oh, this is the hourly. So ES pretty much filled the hourly fair value gap to a T, I think, right? So this high here is 26.25. Right? So, right? So, yeah, we'll see if that ends up then breaking, like, with displacement, a 5-minute low. Yeah, but we'll see if it closes here. Then I'll be pretty interested. I mean, it looks decent. This is where I'm like, oh, do I just go on the 30 second? Oh, decisions. I'll wait, I think. Yeah, I could probably afford to wait. Broke that for volume imbalance in the 30. Bum bum bum. I don't know. 30 second. See how that looks on the 5. Yeah. But NQ, I'll probably wait on the I'm gonna wait for the 5. Yeah. NQ is so strong. I just dipped into this 5-minute FEG. Just continuing. Yeah. We'll see if it breaks a swing low, but NQ super strong. It would be good though then to short ES instead of NQ. It's okay. I'm gonna wait. 1, 2, 3. Break. Yeah. Plenty of time. You know, be my guest if you want to short this. If some people want to, then go ahead. Yeah, ES is a lot better, and for the short idea, and the XY is going higher, so. What was this? The gap fill in that? Okay. Alright, let's open up ES because it's more interesting and weaker. Quite the push down there in those 3 minutes. Wow. Yeah, it gotta be quick when it just reached into that 30 second. That was basically it. But I'll wait for another opportunity. It's totally fine. Finally getting that market structure shift to the downside. Okay, I'm on mute again. Okay, I'm back now. Cool. So sorry, bro. Thanks for like the donation. I said I'm going short in the. You know what it is? It's because I just didn't have it on a couple. Anyway, I did it on based on the 3-minute FEG. Yeah. So anyway, this is the trade idea. Like I said, this filled this whole hourly. Yeah, break of a short-term low, fair value gap. You know, this is 2.5R. Why not? Por qué no? Do 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 do. So fun. What a fun like song. I love it. Now that one really. All right, let's see. We could come back into this area. What's NQ doing? I would love for you to close below this. Actually, close below it, bro. Yeah. Wait, that's nice to be up like already on this trade. Slay. Nice to actually get a decent fill in the fair value gap, Tanya. A lot of times I don't get a good fill. Alright, anyway, I'm gonna leave that up though, the RR tool. That's the idea. You guys, if this doesn't work, I'm probably just gonna end it, call it a day. But that's the idea. Right? Do 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 do. Can't be everything you wanna be before your time. Although it's so romantic on the borderline tonight. What time is it? It's 10:11. Cool. Do 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 do. What are we doing right now? Yeah, let's see. NQ. I really do want it to close below this. Invert that. It'll be great for us. Yeah. Okay. We're going lower right now, so it's working out. Oh, it is. NQ is close below it. Por favor. It would be pretty killer if I do catch, like, how many? That's 20 points on ES. That would be pretty killer. Not gonna lie. Do 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 do. Right now, where are we at? It's like a 1R. Yeah, I'm gonna hold this because basically it was my thesis since the beginning. That DXY is going higher and bearish, and I would just wait for the market structure shift. We filled that completely, and we had the shift, so I don't see a reason. Oh my gosh. Yo, that was funny. Thank you for subscribing, but that was actually funny because I maximize it to read the message. Okay. Don't need this anymore. What was this about? Oh, this was the hourly FEG, you guys. Remember? It was random for this one. Yeah, ES just a lot cleaner. Yeah, it would be nice on Q. Take out those 930 lows. Are we making new lows on the day? Yeah. Yes. Cool. Yeah, I'm just gonna hold this, you guys. Slow down, you're doing fine. All right. Yeah. You can't be everything you want to be before your time. Billy Joel. Alright, I'm glad I did go to 3 minute for this. Yeah. Hit that like button. It did say exactly. $10.15 mental game reminder. Yeah, I think we're doing fine today. Okay, so this did close below, which is good. Now let's see, and it inverted. Now let's just see it like, I don't know. It can retrace like halfway. So we'll see how that goes for NQ. Still bearish. So romantic on the borderline tonight. Okay. Oops. Slow down, you're doing fine. We're gonna do some karaoke while we wait, yeah. Yeah, I would love for it to reach it quickly, honestly, by 10:30 or something. Let's see the hourly. Yep. Cool. I'm on the side of hourly order flow, and it's only been first 15 minutes of it. I don't really see it, coming all the way back up here, stopping me out. Then I'm totally wrong and whatever. So I'm not going to be phased if it comes back to break even or for a minute or so. If I get stopped, whatever. I always think about the different scenarios so that I don't get tilted and do silly things. Oh, someone asked me my glasses. Yeah. These are from the eye doctor. Those are the original ones. And then the other ones I got from like Warby Parker. And another one I got from Pear. See? Where's 50%? I don't really want NQ to close back above this. This fair value gap on the 5 kind of lines up with this midpoint of this order block that we just created. Series of up candles. So we'll find out. Back around break even. I'm not stressing at all. Chilling. Chilling like a villain. Okay. So romantic on the borderline tonight. I love Billy Joel. It's not such a... well, we'll see in 1 minute where this closes for NQ, but that's not really looking too good. But it's okay, because I'm in ES. So romantic on the borderline tonight. How did the 5 look? Okay. Yeah, I could come back into this little 5-minute one. Whatever it wants to do, I don't care. And literally, if this doesn't work out, you guys, I'm just gonna end the day like that. Because that's pretty much that was my thesis for the day. Yep. I'm sticking with it. Let's see how this... does it wick? That'll be good. So romantic on the borderline tonight. We come back down here, and then I'll consider a partial. But I didn't want a partial for 1R. Oh, that's not good. Where is NQ making new high of day? Yeah. Alright. I'm sticking with it though. Sticking with it. The XY is going higher, so I don't know what to tell you. It's just gonna be a little nutty when there's rollover. Let me just make sure this is correct. Yeah. Hands off the mouse for me. Hands off the mouse. It's digging back until the 5-minute here, I think. Yeah, 5-minute fair value gap. Okay, it's 10:22. Cool. See if this wicks this area. Find out. Was Tanya gonna get stopped out, or was Tanya gonna have a W? Stay tuned. And then this is where all the discords are reporting on me. My position. Chillin'. Like I said. Stick with this. Let's see YM. Yeah, YM. Maybe I should have looked good for that bearish. Alright, that's fine. CES. How are you gonna close here? Almost 5. It's not looking too good because we retraced so deeply, but I'm still holding. Let me look in the one. Are there people fading me here? It's okay if you are. So far, I'm in a little bit of drawdown for about, right? I was in right away. I didn't take the partial. That was my decision. And now I'm in drawdown. Womp womp womp. See, this is pretty much last line in the sand, obviously, but I'm sticking with this. NQ is making new high of day, which is crazy. So I'm happy that at least I did stick with this one. Still gonna stick with it. Risk is defined. I'll just have that on the side of the screen so people know what I'm looking at. And so it's not too cluttered. Alright, it's back at around break-even-ish. We'll see if it continues to reject here, or what. We'll find out, we'll find out. Might be difficult because, wait, London is a large range. But took the risk. Risk is managed. It's going lower. DXY is going lower. It's not that good. But yeah, maybe it bounces on this 15-minute order block. Slash fair value gap. I don't know. Find out. Sticking with it. A lot of this is just me deciding whether to stick with it or not. What's NQ doing? KK. Not much. This is why I'm going lower. It's getting picked up here. We'll find out, you guys. Let me think. Oh yeah, this is where so many people are here. Hello, welcome 3,300 people. I'm in a clear position for a little while, and what's up? Yeah, I mean, we'll see. What was I trying to look at? Oh yeah, heat map. I'm sure there's people saying, get out while you can, and I'm feeding you. Okay, do it. At your own risk. Yeah, so pretty interesting here on this day. Isn't this interesting? Right? Like, we're mostly red. Tesla's down 2%. Nvidia's only up 1%. All this red. This is the S&P 500. We just need tech to follow suit a little bit more, and that's it. So, yeah. Get out while you can, Tanya. Get out while you can. Oh, there was even someone yesterday. I think. I took a short. Did pretty well. But I saw, like, later while I was in the short, they were like, why are you going against higher time frame, whatever. Because I can't. Yeah, so it's pretty much around my break even. We're chilling. If you don't like to go against higher time frame order flow, then don't do it, you know. But you're watching my show. And sometimes, you know, it can't go up forever. There's certain areas. You pick and choose your places. Alright. The XY moving back up. What you doing, NQ? Nothing. Come on. Lower. Come on, Tech, you gotta follow suit a little bit. Okay. Good hold through the retracement so far. We're back in slight profit. Slow down, you're doing fine. Can't be everything you wanna be before your time. Although it's so romantic on the borderline tonight. Cool. Let's see it bleed, like invert this little FEG that I don't really care about, this bullish one. Be nice. Probably is, on the 5 at least. Yeah, there's still 2.5 minutes left. Yeah, should follow through. So romantic on the borderline tonight. Billy Joel from Long Island, New York. I want to go to a Billy Joel show. He's like retiring soon and moving to Florida, like all New Yorkers eventually do. But I think he has the most shows ever at Madison Square Garden. Yeah, we did invert this. It's looking good, you guys. Let's see some follow through. Can't complain much right now. Yeah. So romantic on the borderline tonight. Anyway, yeah, I want to go see him in Madison Square for sure. And do you guys know that he has like 4 DUIs? He like ran into someone's like home with his car. Wild. And then later, I think what happened was another car then ran into the same home. Like, can you imagine how unlucky that is? Not one, but two cars. Anyway, if you're enjoying this stream, hit that like button. Come on, YM. At least YM reach it, the lows. Would be good. So romantic on the borderline tonight. I'm staying patient. You know what? It tends to happen. What tends to happen is when we're in drawdown, we're more patient than when we're in profit, you know, which is bad. Staying patient. So romantic on the borderline tonight. Yep, looks good. Let's see another 5-minute inverted as well. See continuation lower is what I would expect this candle to go lower. Gonna chill. When I lean far back, it's so funny. It's like, I can go even further than that. Yeah, let's see it. Drop it like it's hot. Drop it like it's hot. Fun. Probably will end up taking a partial. We'll see. Just because I have to, and I feel like retraces again into some BS, then I'll really be annoyed, you know? Lock in 8 points. Be really, really good to close below it. Obviously. Well, we'll see, because there's 3 minutes left. That candle. So, maybe I should just... Yeah, I'm so happy, by the way, that I stuck with just sticking like on a little bit of a higher time frame, 3 minute. You know, 5 minute would have worked too if I would have been patient, but I'm happy I didn't just, you know. That's why if you're entering on the 30-second, you shouldn't have like such high expectations for, you know, you should be, I would be taking, if I'm on the 30-second, I would be taking profits here and probably trailing. Anyway, we'll see this, see how this goes. It's about to, did it break it? What's this low? 0925, 0925, okay. Equal low. Okay, NQ finally following suit. See what this market's doing. Heat map. So romantic on the borderline. Hit the like button. Hit the like button. Thank you. It helps me out. It helps out the channel. Helps out everybody. Where is this? Where's my phone? Okay. Do 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 do. Bum, bum, bum. All right, you guys. I have to take one partial. I have to. I'm sorry. Okay, that's 9 points. 9 handles are handled there. Nine handles are handled. See how this 5 minute closes. Ideally, it closes below. What are you doing, NQ? Finally following. Okay, I'm gonna hold the rest, probably. Yeah. Oh yeah. Heat map. So romantic on the borderline tonight. Who held through? Who, like, held through the retracement as well? Feels nice, right? Sticking to your plan? Slay. Like, the issue, I know that the issue for me isn't really, my losses don't really come from, something like, oh, being in profit and then not cutting it fast enough, whatever. No, it's too much nitpicking. My losses typically, the biggest things that I have to mitigate are being stupid and not following my plan. Like, so as long as I followed my idea, then it's fine. I can be at peace with it, you know? We can be at peace. So romantic on the borderline tonight. Tonight. Didn't close below this, which is annoying as heck. Which is fine. I'm gonna hold it. It's fine. How does 15-minute look? Pretty good. Hourly, pretty good. Ba-dum, ba-dum, ba-dum. Ba-dum, bum, 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 bum. Yeah, what's the heat map look like? Okay. You know, tech is starting to follow suit, I guess. I don't know. Microsoft is now flat on the day instead of up 0.2%. Whatever, that is also a little delayed, but still. What's Microsoft up to? Just quickly. Okay. That's ugly. That's probably gonna go lower. Okay. That's weird. Let's go on the 15. That one I don't like as much, but Microsoft looks okay. Nvidia's retracing. Yeah, you guys, I'm gonna hold this. Sounds good to me. Would like it to reach it by 11, really. The thing is, because it didn't close, it can retrace deeply again. That's just like annoying to hold through. What am I doing right now? Okay, yeah. I'm probably gonna move my stop lower, so then if I even get stopped out, it will still be a W, because I took like 9 points and the stop would just be less than that. I don't really want to hang around. Right? It should actually like be rejecting in this area, BPR area. Even in the midpoint of this, it shouldn't really come back. If I entered on the 3, right? Yeah. That's where my stop will be. So then if I get stopped out, I'll have a time. I'll be up like $100 on the day, whatever. But I'm just not a fan, like I said. I can retrace deeply, which is fine, but where my stop is, it's accounts for it. I don't think it should come back all the way here again, you know? Truth be told, I'm happy I took that partial, right? Partials save lives. Yeah, that's what I'll do. Yeah, I feel comfortable with this now. So let's see if it ends up rejecting from here. Right? Should, if it's any good. See what this, right? This would be the first distribution. Let's see the second. It's also happening at the right time, around 10:50-ish, right? It's a good time for it to be happening. Yeah, it is in 50% of the area. So maybe that's the 10:50 macro type of thing, type of move. Yeah, I did make another FEG there. Yeah. We'll see. That's why I'm still holding. I do believe these other stocks should sort of follow suit to the downside. So romantic on the borderline tonight. Yep. Continue watching this. Looks decent. Back around break even now. Truth be told, you can catch what you want, or you can just get old. Alright, it's wicking. Bomb, bomb, bomb. Moment of truth. Moment of truth. Will it reject here? About 2 minutes till 10:50. I mean, I would think that it rejects here. That's why I'm still in the trade. If I get stopped out, then I'm like pretty much slightly tiny green on the day. And I'll be happy and just walk away. You know? It's not that big of a deal. Because I can consider this chop if I get stopped out. You can get what you want, or you can just get old. Halfway through, why don't you realize Vienna waits for you? Bro, I don't know what you want to do. NQ, boring. I'm waiting. Really? And it's about to be... Okay. I wanted it to hit this by like 11. So that's disappointing that it didn't give me more follow-through. Quicker. Happy I took that little partial. Said that I could retrace deeply again because it didn't close below. And we'll find out now what ends up happening. Either way is fine by me. Like, really, either way is fine by me. If I get stopped or if it goes lower. I gotta put these on again. Yeah, the funny thing is, like, I really can't see what's happening because I wear glasses if I do that. It's ugly. It's 10:51. We retraced so much. I wouldn't be surprised if I get stopped out soon. We'll see. If it, like, ends up going lower again, I might even... I'll probably put, like, a time stop on it, right? If I'm still in the trade. Why don't you realize Vienna waits for you? For example, if it like comes down now to here again, I'll probably put a time stop and just call it, you know, because I do have other things to do. And I wanted it to deliver by 11:10 for sure. Alright. So pretty much did retrace to 50% of that balanced price range exactly. I don't know what's gonna happen. We'll find out. It came like, what was this high here? Came like a 1.5 points from stopping me out there. Still can. What is NQ doing? Chopping around, so yeah, if I get stopped out, just chop shop and I'll be happy with a break-even, like, slightly green day, like, plus 2 points on ES, essentially. Why don't you realize Vienna waits for you? Come on, stop. If you're gonna stop me out, just stop me out, bro. Keep one tick away from it. Okay. Oh, I had 3 there. Oh my god. Close that. Okay, well, you guys, break even day, plus 2 points on ES. What can I do? No follow through to downside. Happy the way I managed that. I'm taking this partial, and that's all I can do. Have a good Friday. I'll see you back here Monday at 9:15 a.m. Love you.